You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast. One of the biggest differences between domestic and international moving is export packing standards, and this is where many avoidable custom issues begin. Professional packing crews are trained to identify restricted categories before they enter your shipment. During the pre-pack walkthrough, garages, storage areas, and hidden spaces are reviewed for hazardous or regulated items. Prevention happens before packing even begins. Every carton is labeled and recorded on a detailed inventory. That inventory is not just for delivery tracking. It becomes part of your custom declaration. If items are described vaguely, customs may request clarification or inspection. Clear, specific descriptions protect your timeline. Do-it-yourself packing can create risks. Owner-packed cartons are often marked differently and may draw additional scrutiny during inspection. Insurance coverage can also be limited for self-packed goods. International relocation is not the time to experiment with shortcuts. You can learn more about professional export packing standards on our website. If you want your shipment packed to international standards that align with custom regulations, visit our website or give us a call, 877-339-0267. Proper preparation protects both your goods and your schedule.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.